Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of whether Credit Karma is really free to use. The short answer is yes, Credit Karma is free for consumers. You can access your credit scores and reports without paying a fee. But, like any business, Credit Karma needs to make money. So, how do they do it? Credit Karma makes its money by recommending financial products to you. They use the information from your credit reports and profile to show you targeted advertisements for things like credit cards, personal loans, or auto insurance. When you apply for a product through one of their links and are approved, the financial institution, like the bank or lender, pays Credit Karma a commission. This model is why they can offer their services for free to you. They are a lead generator for other companies in the financial industry. They analyze your data and show you offers that you are more likely to be approved for, and when you take action on those offers, they get paid. It's a straightforward business model. You get free access to your credit information, and in return, you see personalized advertisements. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.